Solving inequalities by addition or subtraction. Solving an inequality means finding the values for the variable that make the inequality true. You can use the addition and subtraction properties of inequality to help solve an inequality. When you add or subtract the same number from each side of an inequality, the inequality remains true. So let's see the example. Solve each inequality. The first one is x plus 4 greater than 9. The idea is leave the variable x on one side and the numbers on the other one. So what I'm going to do, in order to eliminate the 4, I'm going to subtract 4 in both sides. When I subtract 4, these two go away. X remains on the left side, greater than 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is going to be my solution. X greater than 5 after simplifying. So any number greater than 5 is going to make this statement true. The greater than 5, and when I draw it in a number line, if this is 5, for example, greater than, remember I do the point, not, and the arrow is going to be to the right. Exercise number 2, negative 12 greater or equal than n minus 9. What is the variable? N. So what I'm going to do in order to eliminate the 9, since the 9 is subtracting, I'm going to add 9 in the right side and the left side. Okay, so negative 12 plus 9 and the left side is negative 3 greater than, I simplify, this goes away, and I have that n is smaller equal than negative 3. So if I'm going to draw it in a number line, if this is negative 3 and this is the n's, then it's going to be n smaller or equal than negative 3. Since it's equal, the dot is going to be like this, and this is going to be my solutions, n smaller or equal than negative 3. Let's go to number 3. Now, number 3 says solve a plus 1/3 smaller than 1 and grab the solution in the set of a number line. A plus 1/3 smaller than 1, I write the same inequality, this one, and I have to leave the a in one side, and to do this I'm going to eliminate the 1/3 by subtracting 1/3 in both sides. So when I subtract, this goes away and the a remains alone on the left side, and I do 1 minus 1/3. The common denominator is going to be 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. It's going to be 2/3. So a less than 2/3. This is my solution. I find 2/3 in the line, and since it's going to be less and not equal, the dot is going to be hollow on everything to the left. Every number here is going to be, or every a less than 2/3 is going to make this inequality a true state. For number 1, solve each inequality. T minus 6 greater than 3. I'm going to eliminate the 6 that is subtracting by adding 6. I'm going to add 6. I'm going to add 6 both sides. Then when I add vertically, this is going to be t. This goes away, greater than 6 and 3 is 9. So this is my solution, t greater than 9. If I'm going to draw it, and this is 9, since it's greater and not equal, it's going to be an open circle here to the right. This is going to be my solutions, all the t's that are greater than 9. For number 2, going to be the same thing. The 9 is adding to b. In order to get rid of the 9, I subtract 9 both sides. This goes away, and b is smaller or equal than negative 7, because negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. I'm going to draw it in a number line. This is negative 7, and smaller equal than negative 7 is going to be, the dot is going to be a full dot here, and less than equal is going to be to the left because it's less than equal. Less is all these numbers, and equal is going to be on top, right exactly in the negative 7.